All parties Sikh Coordination Committee has expressed disappointment over the prolonged delay in justice for the families of 35 Sikhs who were massacred in the Chhattis Singhpura, Islamabad district on 20th March 2000. 35 members of the Sikh community were butchered by the troops in disguise in the Chhattis Singhpura area of the Islamabad district on 20th March 2000 on the eve of the then US President Bill Clinton's visit to India. Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh-backed Modi regime is using state-sponsored terror to oppress the religious minorities in India. On the International Day of the Elimination of the Racial Discrimination, the Modi's Hindutva regime is fueling racial division and hatred in India. Racial supremacy and the hate speech against the minorities, especially the Muslims, have become the state policy under the Modi in India. On 20th March 2000, in the backdrop of the then US President Bill Clinton's visit to India, 35 members of the minority Sikh community were gunned down in the Chhattis Singhpura village of the Islamabad district. The Indian Army claimed that it was the handwork of the foreign-backed militants. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has said that the Indian Bharatiya Janata Party government has snatched all the fundamental rights of the people under the barrel of the gun and the black laws in occupied Kashmir. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement in Srinagar, urged the United Nations Human Rights Council to impress upon India to prevent the armed forces from harassing the defenseless people and the activists in the occupied territory. Journalists Federation Kashmir has strongly advocated the immediate release of the Kashmiri journalist Irfan Miraj, who has been languishing in the Indian jail for 2 years, 730 days now. The Federation in a statement said that the detention of an outstanding journalist remains one of the most pressing issues affecting the media freedom in the occupied Kashmir.